In this tense minute, David Beckham is stranded on a knife-edge ridge after a sudden blizzard. His footwork becomes a compass as he reads wind shadows, marks a safe route, and begins a careful descent. With a jersey and duct tape, he builds a windbreak, crafts a sled, and keeps his core warm. He imagines teammates, signals rescuers with a mirrored flash, and stays calm through controlled breathing. Night falls and a helicopter cuts through the storm, Beckham surviving under pressure and proving a masterclass in resilience.